Hey everyone! Today, we're breaking down three essential math concepts: mean, median, and mode. These concepts help us make sense of data, whether it's the ages of your family members, your test scores, or even the speed of different cars. Why do these matter? Because data is everywhere, and when data gets big, like the cost of every item in a store or the heights of every basketball player in the NBA, things can get messy. That's where mean, median, and mode come to the rescue. They help us summarize all those numbers into something useful. Let's break it down. The mean. It can be described as the average value of a dataset. How do we find the mean? Step 1. Add up all the numbers in your dataset. Step 2. Divide that sum by the total number of values. Let's assume we collect realistic screen time data spent on TikTok in hours from 8 students. Step 1. Add them up. The total is 32. Step 2. Divide by how many numbers you have. 32 divided by 8 equals 4. So, the mean, or average, is 4. The mean helps us smooth out differences and find a central value. Think of it like taking all the different numbers and spreading them out evenly. The median, better known as the middle number, is all about finding the middle value in a data set. Imagine lining up your numbers from smallest to largest and picking the one right in the center. How do we find the median? Step 1. Arrange the numbers in ascending order. Step 2. If there's an odd number of values, the middle number is the median. Step 3. If there's an even number of values, take the two middle numbers, find their mean, and that's the median. Now let's look at NBA player heights in centimeters. Step 1. Put them in order. Step 2. Since there are 9 numbers and uneven count, the median is the middle value. So the fifth value in the ordered list is 208 centimeters. But what if we had an even number of values? There's no single middle number, so we take the two middle ones, 2 and 3, and find their mean. Step 1. Put them in order. Step 2. Since there are 8 numbers and even count, the median is the average of the two middle values. 203 centimeters plus 216 centimeters divided by 2. The new median height equals 209.5 centimeters. Great work. Now let's get cracking on the mode. The mode. It is all about what shows up the most. It is useful for spotting trends, like the most common shoe size in a store or the most popular song on your playlist. So, how do we find the mode? Step 1. Look for the number that appears the most times. Step 2. If no number repeats, there's no mode. Step 3. If multiple numbers repeat the same number of times, you can have more than one mode. Let's analyze the test scores of the following students. 72 appears the most, 3 times, so the mode is 72. Did you notice that 68 appears twice? Well, that's because this dataset has 2 modes, 72 and 68. Simple, easy, and just like that. Now it's time for us to move on to a real-world example and for you to test your skills. Let's say a guitar shop tracks how many guitars they sell each month. Here's the data for 12 months. Can you find all 3, the mean, median, and mode, under 60 seconds? Let's check your answers. Mean. Add them all up is 108 and divide by 12. The answer 9. Median. Put them in order. Take the middle 2 numbers, 9 plus 10 divided by 2. Find their mean equals 9.5. 10 appears the most, so the mode equals 10. That means, on average, the shop sells 9 guitars per month. Most months fall around 9.5, 9.5, and 10 guitars is the most common number sold in a month. There you have it. Now, don't just sit there. Practice. Math gets easier the more you work with it. Try coming up with your own datasets and find the mean, median, and mode yourself. Remember, mean means average, median means middle, mode means most often. Thanks for watching. Remember to like this video and subscribe to help us reach 1 million subscribers.